stay in the car. It fell underneath the seat. I don't care what you say. You can stay in there. It fell because you flipped it on me.
In today's vlog, I'm just not putting you in there. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Happy's channel. We're on our way to Montego right now. We're doing a little picnic, evening picnic on the beach just because. Well, because yesterday Ziggy was supposed to
mess up.
I didn't mess up.
Of course.
We had a bad day.
You messed up in the yesterday.
Okay, we had a bad day yesterday, okay? But like we're good now. We talked about it, whatever happened. So right now we just thought it was a good idea to just kind of get away from the work and the place and just do us for a little and then go back up. My arm. So we're just going there right now. Your seatbelt's choking me. Yeah. So we didn't do anything. We didn't do anything Monday but work. Yesterday we worked, but then yesterday wasn't too much of a good day, so we weren't really in the vlogging mood. And then today we worked in the morning until about 3, and then now we're just gonna get away and then go back up and do what we gotta do. You see, in the car. It fell underneath the seat. I don't care what you say. You can stay in there. It fell because you flicked it on me. You flicked the beat on me. Stop, man! Yo. Can the seat go back? Yo. Of what just happened. A bee flew in the car and it flew right on Ziggy's chest, like right on the seatbelt. And I looked over and I said, Ziggy, there's a bee on you. What does Ziggy do? Instead of flicking it outside the car, he decided to flick it on me. And where did it go? It went somewhere down here and it's still in here. Somewhere. I don't know. I'm just paranoid. I just want to take my seatbelt off. Like, I don't even want this on right now. Why would you do that? Lord helps you right now. Everyone's looking at me video, but it's a regular thing. And we're gonna go get food and then we're going to the beach after. So we are at Aquasol right now. We're just chilling.
Yo, I feel like going out.
Go. You didn't even bring a towel.
Can I tell you if you bring it, but you know, listen, yo.
Chicken wrap. Barbecue chicken wrap.
Cheers.
Tastes good. You should definitely try when you come. So what happened to your chicken? He ordered 3 pieces of chicken and 1 dropped.
Oh,
so
right.
He doesn't like the skin. He's got the skin.
This one I'm going to go to Montego and I say, like, yeah.
And just dropped right in the sand. So what did he do? Of course, take mine. He took my leg. Bite into that.
Oh, yeah, you know, so that one ain't bigger though?
Yeah, it was. This has like nothing on it. So Ziggy's out playing ball. Come say hi to them. Just say hi. Sasha Gay looks so pretty today. Where are you going? Party?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who dressed you? You dressed yourself or mommy?
Mommy.
Ooh, pretty girl. We're chilling, talking. The one thing that no, it fell by itself. The one thing we love to do is just sit and talk. And we just talk about anything. Ah! Freaking mosquitoes, man. No, we like to reason. That's what we do. We just sit and talk and just reason about random stuff, about life. Right now we're sitting just killing mosquitoes.
No.
Is it on you?
Eh? Right in my eye.
There's so much mosquitoes out, so we're killing them with this. This actually shot me today and it freaking hurt.
Funny, me just save a life now. Yo. we just save funny life.
Oh.
Now around 7 mosquito.
When you know the drama.
So long that we done.
Busy, it's been busy like this is the second time coming here.
20 minutes, yeah? Oh, yeah. We're not sure. We don't know how next start this week.
So right now we're in the bay picking up his shirts for his party. We ordered, how much shirts we ordered again? 17 shirts. We got them black, red, white, blue, and black. So we're just picking them up.
They say pink and black.
No? But yeah, we've been on the road all day. And you know, I had in my mind, in the back of my mind, from when we were coming to Montego, I'm like, I'm getting jerk pork. I didn't get my jerk pork, so I'm still waiting for that.
Jerk pork. So we're in Montego Bay. I don't know what she's looking for. But she's just walking.
I think we're in the wrong store.
Huh?
I think we're in the wrong store. It's not this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Where exactly you're from?
So it's this thing that's
What,
in
this?
the glass, but it's like a yeah, right. It's a black long dress.
But you're right, that's
For you?
Ooh, style it.
Can we just walk down?
Down?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Down a little more.
Oh. So you're just walking at people in business and walk.
So we're getting scotchies, right?
Nah,
Why?
because I said so.
I swear we better be back before 9.
Or else?
Or else I'll be upset.
Or else?
No,
Yes. It's crazy.
I couldn't drop this though. I wanted to drop.
So we're heading out to another one down the road.
You know what I need? Belly button right. I didn't notice the look at this. Diamond fell out. A lot of jewelry places.
Yeah.
They don't really sell a lot of like real jewelry anymore. They more go for like the fake stuff because most of them are getting robbed now.
Yep.
Holy.
Look how brave maybe.
What?
Walking the phone like this in Montego Bay. So in the real streets of Montego Bay and I get to street like what time at night? 8.
Don't come in ugly, you can't understand where they come.
And it's 7:34. Walking in the streets. Browning behind me. Which other story? Oh, where's? Oh shit.
It has like a glass.
You sure I know some here, sir?
It's like somewhere here. So wait, you're not supposed to walk with your phone out?
Who, you?
Hold this phone, man.
Because they normally T-phone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I just come and say, yo, you're not done with my phone, pass it.
Shut up. So
Honestly.
should I hand my change?
Even that too.
Like I always tuck it in. Not trying to. We're not trying to scare you guys, but you know you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Alright, Brittany.
You gotta be.
You gotta always be
You
careful.
gotta be.
I mean, I've been down here for like the whole summer last year. All my jewelry, nothing happened. But
Somebody just feels sick, right? 6 until she drop asleep completely because she want scotches jerk. What may I say? Scotches jerk pork. And as soon as we reach in the car and one whole need she wake up, feel better.
and I got suit.
Yeah.
It's going car sick.
Still feel cursing? Anyway, you just have home all day up on the road.
All freaking day.
Up and down in Montego Bay, yeah.
Back and forth.
We just go home and now. But I know what you gonna do.
Active.
Yeah, I got active on like a party still. But you get the shirt then.
Yeah.
Show now I'm going to reach on the block still.
Yeah.
So for now, I have my deuces.
Audi for now.
Yeah, so you just reach back home. They are going easy. I think Nisha just jump in the shower. But I get the shirt and man thing. So yeah. So the black one. And this is the white one. So yeah, black, white, red and blue. But meanwhile I'm just there going cool out. Just jump back in the shower and just go on a little party. Forward man. You see me? So it's one of my general. Chiller.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, show them how I go on the shirt now man. Up with it now.
See it there.
Turn up with it and show them now man.
Right.
So we are promote the party them way.
Yeah. I'm a stoner.
Yeah
Yeah.
man. Alright now we have like for the party like we are planning to make a mad video like just be like a real video, like an official video. Dance and say what we are say about the party and thing. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Stay tuned.
Try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. Man, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone.